Okay, positions. Okay, so positions property in CSS, three types: fixed, fixed, and second one relative, third one absolute position. Okay, so these are the three types of positions. So position properties allows you to position, okay, set the position to the HTML element. Okay, we can arrange the position in the document for any HTML element. Position property is allows us to set position to the HTML elements in web document, okay, and web page. So fixed position, we can set the fixed position for the HTML elements. Okay, fixed position is the type of position. So if you set this position 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 colon fixed. Okay, if you write this property to the HTML, any HTML element, the position is fixed. Okay, the position for that element is fixed. Okay, and relative position is a relative position element is position related to its normal position. Relative position element is position relative to its normal position. Normal position. So syntax for this: position relative. Okay, this is the property, value, and named value. Okay, position is the property and this is the value. Next, absolute position. So an element with the position absolute is positioned relative to the nearest positioned ancestor. An element with position absolute is positioned relative to the nearest position ancestor. Okay, so instead of position that related to the viewport are like fixed. Okay, position colon absolute. Okay, this is the value for position property. So for example, so open Visual Studio Code. Okay, so already these files are open here. Okay, three div tags is there. Uh, one div tag, an image, and two div tags and one image tag is there. So we can fix the position for the image. You can fix the image. Otherwise, just create one HTML form. Positions.html. Okay, so two div tags and one paragraph is there. So use style tag, class div1, height 200 pixels, and width for div tag also 200 pixel, and background color, okay, red color, and text color is white color. Okay, and position is fixed. Okay, and position is top, from top 40 pixel. Okay, from right 20 pixel. Okay, the div tag position is from top 40 pixel, right 20 pixel. The div tag will be displayed from top 40 pixel and from right 20 pixel. So if you run this example, okay, this div tag is displaying here. Okay, div tag is displaying here. This is the fixed position, and so we cannot change this position in runtime. Okay, so position is fixed, so any element can't change this position. Okay, so here paragraph is there. This paragraph cannot change this position. Okay, paragraph is there and div tag also is there. So if you remove this property, position is fixed, the div tag is displaying as it is in the left side. Okay, so that is the fixed position. And relative position. Dot div2, position is relative, and width same 200 pixels, and height also 200 pixels. Okay, so div2 tag position and height and width. Okay, only three properties. So now refresh this example. So this is div1 and this is div2. Okay, there is no change here. Position is relative. Okay, if you remove this position, okay, so the relative position element is positioned relative it is normal position. Okay, normal position only. And paragraph. So for this paragraph, position is absolute. So absolute also displaying from top of the div tag. Okay, absolute position property displaying paragraph top of the div1 tag. Okay, so if you remove this position, okay, absolute div tag displaying in top of the paragraph. Okay, if you enable this div tag content displaying top of the div tag. So these are the positions in CSS. Position property. Next property is overflow. Okay, so overflow property specifies what happens if content overflows an element box. Overflow property specifies what happens if the content overflows an element box. Okay, an element box nothing but in this example we can take this same example. Okay, positions. You can see here the content is overflowing from a div tag. So remove this position. Okay, so now you can see. You can see here only div1 tag is displaying. The content is overflowing from div1 tag. Okay, so what happens if the content overflows an element box? The content is will display outside of the div tag. To overcome this, to using this overflow property, we can apply scrolling for the div tag so that the content will display in the div tag only. Okay, use overflow property and use scroll so that scrolls will apply to the div tag. Okay, so now the content is not overflowing. Overflow property can accept the values like scroll are visible or hidden. Okay, so these values can accept and auto initial inherit. So these three are um, normal values, but visible, hidden, and scroll are important values. Okay, to apply the scrolling for the div tags, we can use this overflow scroll property to hidden any element. To hide the element, use this property. Okay, overflow hidden. To show the any hidden property, use visible value. And next one is image sprites. So image sprite is nothing but a collection of images, nothing but a collection of images put into a single image. Okay, put into a single image. So nothing but we can create one image, okay, with a collection of images, and we can use that image in any page in the application. Okay, wherever you want to display the image in the page. Okay, a page with many images can take long time to load and generates multiple server requests, so that it is burden on the server. So basically the application performance will be down. So that to increase the application performance, we can use image sprites. Okay, so image sprites nothing but a collection of images put into a single image. So we can only use the particular image to load the images in different pages, in different images, different pages in different images. So using image sprite will reduce the number of server requests. For example, you can take social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, okay, YouTube, Google Plus, LinkedIn. So you can take all these icons. Okay, so we can create one single image, okay, with all these images, and we can use this all icons in different pages wherever you want. So you can search in Google social media icons sprites. Okay, so these are all nothing but sprite images. Okay, you can take this image. So this is the one image with a collection of images. Okay, Facebook, okay, LinkedIn, Twitter, okay, and RSS, Google Plus, Finster. So collection of images is there. So you can use the particular image wherever you want. Okay, only one image will be loaded into the application, but we can use only particular image, okay, wherever you want. So already this example explained in previous class, so I can use the image. I can use that image. Okay, social circle is the image, so we can use this image. Okay, paste here in our application. Okay, this is the image. So this image contains Facebook, RSS, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Share, YouTube, and Twitter. Okay, these social icons is there, but I want to display these icons separately. Okay, so create an HTML form. .html. So remove this one, and this one also you can remove. So now use another list to create the links. Okay, to create the social icons menus. We can use this another list from previous class. Image sprites. Okay, so this is the menu. Okay, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So but I have only one image, but I want to display the icons separately. Okay, for Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So run this example. Okay, so only Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn, 3 links are displaying only, but I want to display icons also for these links separately. So we can write CSS properties, style, UL tag, um, UL tag, list style type, none. Okay, there is no list style type for another list. Next, UL tag. In UL tag we have li tag, right? In UL tag we have li tags. For these li tags, padding 5 pixel. Next to font size is 16 pixels. Okay, so that's it. Next to in UL tag li tag is there. In li tag anchor tag also is there. Okay, anchor tags. For this anchor tag, UL li a. Okay, height, anchor tag height is 50 pixel. Next to line height is 50 pixels. And display inline block okay, inline block, and padding left. Okay, so padding left 60 pixels. Okay, and background, so background URL is, now we can use this image. Okay, social circle.png, social circle, c small, social circle dot png, and no repeat. Okay, no need to repeat the image. So once you run this example, okay, so in background images are displaying. Okay, so now we have to set the positions for this uh, icons. Okay, in Facebook link we have to display Facebook icon. In YouTube link we have to display the YouTube icon. In LinkedIn link, for LinkedIn link we have to display the LinkedIn icon. Okay, so height 50, line height 50, padding left 60. Padding left, so you can use only 40 pixel. Padding left 40 pixel, and width also we have to use width property, width 10 pixel. Okay, 62 pixels. Okay, UL tag, LA tag is there. In LA tag, anchor tag, and for not for anchor tag. So these classes for div tag. Okay, in LA tag, in anchor tag we have div tag is there. For this div tag, height 50 pixel, and line height 50, display inline block, padding left 60, and a background image. Okay, and so we have to write classes is there. Okay, Facebook class, YouTube class, and LinkedIn class. So we have to write these classes. UL tag, in UL tag, LA tag is there. In LA tag, anchor tag, and div tag with the Facebook class. background position. We have to set this position 20 pixel. So 20 pixels. Okay, you can observe here image is moving here. Okay, and minus 37 you can see. Minus 37 pixels and minus, okay, this one also minus 37, and we have to increase the height, div height, not div height. Line height also 50. Div width 10 pixel. Thirty. Okay, minus 27 pixel, and padding left. Okay, 3 pixels. Okay, now Facebook is icon is set. So copy these values and paste here. Okay, and height is 60 pixel, 50, 64, and this one is 64. Again width is added. Okay, copy this one. So now we can refresh this example. So now Facebook is set. So like this we can set YouTube and LinkedIn. In another list we have LA tag, anchor tag, div tag. Div tag with the class name is YouTube. Okay, background position. So we can use this 40 and 27 by default. So we can arrange these positions here. Okay, here image is moving, so observe here. Okay, YouTube icon also displaying. So this position is minus 344 pixels. So only this one is we have to change, minus 344 pixels for YouTube. Okay, now this one also set. Now LinkedIn. For LinkedIn, so class name is LinkedIn. So arrange this position for LinkedIn. Okay, this first one right and left, second one is top and bottom. Okay, this is the only order. Minus 162 pixels. Okay, so now these three icons are set with the particular links. Okay, this is only one image, but we are displaying different locations. Okay, and also we can apply some hover classes to the links, because only two color images is there, black and white and color images is there. So use this class. Okay, hover classes we can apply. Okay, hover. When our mouse pointer enter into the particular image, okay, we can change the image style. Okay, so already another color is there. Okay, black color. Whenever mouse pointer enter into the particular link, the particular Facebook link, the image, black color image will be displayed here. Okay, minus 96 pixels for hover class. Okay, so first Facebook color icon is displaying. Whenever mouse enter into the particular link, the image style is changed. Okay, so another image, black and white, two images is there, black and white and color images. When mouse pointer enter into the particular image, the image, this image is displaying. Okay, black and white image. For YouTube and LinkedIn also same. Hover class. Okay, same 96 we can use. For all these 96. Okay, so like this we can implement sprite images in real-time applications also. So we can create one single image and we can use that particular image wherever you want in different pages.